Hi guys, welcome to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, Dr. Malinga is being accused of using Utsekeleke for his own personal gains, It is alleged that Dr. Malinga received a 100k cash reward, but it was not for him, it was for Utsekeleke. So since he is like Tsekeleke's manager of some sort, the 100k was given to him to handle, And then kesana kutwa Dr. Malinga nje decided to pull a DJ's boo on Utsekeleke and Black Cat, Now obviously all of this is alleged, and this is what was said. Kutwa ke in an interview Utsekeleke and Black Cat, they revealed to Dr. Malinga collected 100k guys from Mr. Morgan Mohlala, which was meant for Utsekeleke. And what he did with that 100k guys, he only bought 2 beds and a stove, So they're saying good now. They are sending him messages to just clarify what happened to the rest of the money, and Kutwa he is blue ticking them, not saying anything. He just doesn't entertain them now, and they are also concerned with what happened to the money. So Kesan Tsekeleke also received an award that had a cash prize, but he also didn't receive the cash. All of this Dr. Malinga has to answer, and when they are asking questions, he is not replying, he doesn't entertain them. This is what was revealed by Dr. Malinga and Utsekeleke. And guys, I repeat, all of this is alleged, ne? So someone by the name of Dimples commented and said, "Luckily, I watched this after seeing the 100k donors video on Facebook, and he confirmed that he gave Utsekeleke cash and 100k to Dr. Malinga for helping Utsekeleke at home, but he will need receipts for expenditure, So all of that money, Dr. Malinga needs to show proof of how he used the money, what did he do with the money and stuff like that. So I'm guessing maybe he is investing the money guys maybe he will come back with the receipts. We don't know, we shall see. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a comment in the comment section.